Well, thank you for watching this video. This video is brought to you by newqbo.com. Newqbo.com, your one-stop QuickBooks online learn and share blog. Our phone number is 858-798-5058 for private tutoring. So in this tutorial video, I'm gonna focus on QuickBooks Online update, the latest one, March 2016, and they have a few releases like inventory improvements, receipt payment, screen, and home currency. So we're gonna go all the updates. So let's get started. So I'm on my QuickBooks Online homepage. This is our newqbo.com homepage. So I'm gonna use test drive QBO for this video. Just click test drive QBO, and I'm gonna use US test drive company file. Okay, so the verification number will be different when you log in. Oh. So this is QuickBooks Online USA test drive, and if you need to try from other countries, you can try from Canada, UK, Australia, India, and Singapore. They have their own company file. So on this one, I'm going to use QuickBooks Online US version. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is the improvements here. They made a couple of inventory tracking improvements. The first one I'm going to show you is the inventory. I'm going to go to products and services list. This is where you go. Okay, I'm going to select only inventory type. So these are the inventory types I have, inventory items I have for on this demo file. So what I'm going to do is adjust the quantity in here. I want to adjust the quantity in here. So in the past, what you do is go in here, inventory, and let's just do this one, edit. So you have to do one by one. Okay, so in this case, so adjust quantity right here. Okay, so just do let's say new quantity is 3, and save and close. Okay, so but what happens if you have like multiple items and you want to do it at a time? You took inventory, physical inventory, and you want to make quantity adjustment. Okay, so just select all now, and underneath, under the batch actions, you will see adjust quantity in here, adjust quantity. So select that one. Okay, as you can see here, you have all the selected inventory adjustments, and you can review your adjustment date, your reference number. You can assign your own reference number. Let's say this is 03222206. That's one. Any reference number. And now you can select any inventory adjustment account here. In the past, it used to be inventory sync as default. That was hardwired, and you can't change it. You won't even see this account, but it will automatically post to this account. So now you can change to any account you want. Let's say I want to change to cost of goods sold. You can do that, or any specific account you want. You can do it. All right. So I'm gonna change to, let's say, this quantity is 10. This one is 20. and this one is 30, and this one is 50. As you can see here, a change in quantities right here, quantity on hand, this is what you have right now, and this is your new quantity. Okay, and you can put the memo in here. Let's say you took the physical inventory or whatever the reason may be. Okay, so I'm gonna save this. Okay, the moment you save it, if you come down, you can delete it too. You can copy it, and in here more, you will see the transaction journal. So this is how it will post to your QuickBooks, debit and credit. So debit is debit to inventory asset is whenever you have more inventory. It's quite opposite when you have less inventory adjustment. Like in this case, it's credit. That means you adjust it up or down. So give you you can select the account inventory adjust is this is the one your asset account, and you are trying to reduce it or increase it, and cost of goods sold. So this is your report. Okay, I'm going to save and close. So now if you refresh it, you'll see all the new items, new quantity in here, new revised adjusted quantity in here, like all these, right? Yeah, so this is how you do it. And the other one is okay, so in the past, you basically add inventory, and if you want, you can you adjust your quantity. Now you can also do it individually. Let's in here, click it here, and adjust quantity or adjust starting value. So let's say I want to create a new one here, inventory. Okay, so let's say orange. So this is new one I'm adding. Okay, let's say quantity, I put in like 1,000 as of date. Let's say it's today. So this is how you start initial quantity hand. And let's say the sales price is $1, and the cost is, let's say, 30 cents. Save and close. Okay, here's a new one here, and now you found out the cost is not 30 cents. It's something different. And in the past, uh, you know you can just update the quantity uh, going from here. Now you can do both at the same time directly from here. Just right here, and adjust starting price. This is for starting only. See, as you can see here, 30 cents, you can change to 50 cents, and you can also change your inventory adjustment account is to open balance account. You can select wherever you want. Save and close. Now you have it, 50 cents, right? Okay, so that's one. And the other way is directly from your create plus sign. You can do it right here. As you can see here, inventory quantity adjustment right here. This is for quantity only. And so select any product, orange. Okay, let's say quantity is 980, and let's say this is 19. So this is really helpful, if you have like using it for demo type, giving it to salespeople to do demo, and you don't know how to do it. Okay, so let's say this is for demo, and you may want to select a certain specific account if you want. Let's say this is expense, and I want to use this as a promotional item. Like this. So it will go to that expense account. So you have a choice. You can select any account you want. Save. You can check the transaction journal entry in here. So as you can see here, debit and credit. Pretty straightforward. Save and close. Okay, so that's done. So the other thing is, if you come to customers, you have all the customers list in here, and you can select the start by open balance in here, sort by open balance, or sort by name. This used to be just for the customers now, nothing for vendors. Now vendors, they added exactly same like customers type is a new addition here. So click this one, and exactly same like here that we are familiar with the customer type right here, same like this one, right? Okay. Uh, and the other one is the all right. Let's go to customers here. Okay. Receive payment screen in here, receive payment. And in some companies, when they get paid, they get paid for like not for one or two or 10. They may get paid for like 100 or 200 invoices. It's a big company, and it used to be a big hassle. You have to do the partial and blah blah blah. So now they have a middle gear in here. Just click it. As you can see here, you can expand the row all the way to 300 now. So if you have receive payment for 300 invoices, you can do it in one screen now. So that's pretty good. Okay, and the other one is the currency selection in here. Go to the company gear, and advanced, the currency in here, and so you can change the home currency in here. Right now, home currency is US. You can change it to any currency you want, British pound sterling or whatever. Uh, but if you use the multi-currency, it's always the home currency. You can change it later on. But if you don't use the multi-currency, in this case, it's not used. So you can change USA to like this. So this is basically, you have one product version of QBO type, and you want to use home currency different than let's say US dollar, then you can use it at the start of this company file. So let's just say British, I change it to other currency in here. Now if I go to customers in here, I already have, as you can see here, all the chains, but I already created all these invoices, so that's not going to change, still 954. But when you create a new invoice, it'll be all in new currency in here, like this, as you can see here. Okay. Well, thank you for watching. That should do it. Those are the updates they have for March 2016, and you can always visit our website, newqbo.com. Okay, here we go. Here's our website, newqbo.com, and here's our phone number for private tutoring. Thank you again.